Smart cities are the future of the ultimate living experience, but managing them can be a nightmare. With ERP software, you can leverage technology to build efficiency, sustainability, and resilience into smart city management, including waste management. Sensor-fitted waste containers enable disposal and tracking. Finance and accounts. Manage finance and accounts with auto-payment requisition, auto-BRS, and much more. HR and payroll. Engage and manage employees from hiring to retiring. Healthcare management. Access medical records instantly and analyze medical tests. Land and estate management. Automate land acquisition, rent collection, allotment, administration, planning, and inspection tasks. Inventory control. Track medical, electrical, and general inventory across multiple warehouses. Secretarial management. Prepare agendas, create resolutions, and set reminders. Birth and death certificate. Automatic generation, issue, reissue, and registration of birth and death certificates. Audit management. Automate compliance and generation of audit reports. Hawker and license management. Process legal licenses in compliance with Street Vendors Act. Grievance management. Manage complaints and incident reporting. Legal management. Digitize management of legal cases and information. Fire protection. Set up regular inspection reminders and warnings during a fire emergency. Vehicle maintenance. Track and maintain assets and inspections. Disaster management. Increase communication with faster responses during emergencies. A secure and scalable smart city management software is powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, GPS tracking, and low-code, no-code programming. From a centralized platform, monitor and optimize smart city services, resources, and assets. Schedule a free demo now.